'Cause we'll be on a tablet.
Hello, Gaby, are you okay? Hey, are you feeling better? Wait, I'm going to send you. Hello,
Hello.
are you okay?
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah.
Too tired from working or from traveling?
Yeah, I think so.
Both
Yeah.
are, tiring. Okay, we're going to make an app today.
Mm-hmm.
You should make an account in here, Gaby, and then share your screen so I can demonstrate to you how to use it. Open thunkable.com and then share your screen so I can show you how to use it. So how's work? Is it
It's okay.
you work every day?
No, not every day.
Oh.
Like this week I worked 5 days.
5 days is a lot.
Yeah.
I hope it's not too, too tiring or
Mm.
yes. Okay. Just make an account using your Google account.
Sign up.
Sign up. Hey. Yeah, we are disconnected. Hello. Welcome back.
Hold on. Student.
All right. Yeah, student. Okay. And then my experience. Okay. Let me control your screen. Okay, here. Basically, we can also see what others doing using this app, but we're going to build our own. So let's say you name it my first bankable project. First bankable. Yeah. Category education probably.
Mm-hmm.
And then yes. Public use and drag drop. Okay, create. Yes. Okay, here. This is the layout, the dashboard of the application, where on the left side, you can add components here, Gaby. So you can add like button, label, image, everything. The components used to develop apps is on the left side. You can also add some API or library to connect it to something like database or machine learning. But for now, we are going to use basic components, okay, to build our project. On the right side, it is the setting for any components in the screen. So here we have screen one. You can also have several screens, so you can display different view on different screens. And then you can also set the visibility, style, color, and everything on the right side. And then we also have this blocks tab where we can do the codes. See, it is similar to what we did. So it's really easy. But the best part of this is that we can make an application and we can test it with web preview, or we can test it right on your device, as long as you also have Thunkable on your device, or you can share it, or you can download it and publish it. So this is really a really quick way to get to create an app. Okay, let me start. Okay,
Yeah.
we start with the simplest application. Let's say I'm going to have an image on the screen. Later you can image. Let's say you want it to be here, and then you want to add a button here. It's just really a drag and drop application here, and you can always change the anything you want on each component. Say click me, we can change it. Click me, and we can change the color, the font. Okay, let's say it's yellow. Oh, it is the text. Okay. How about the number at the button? Can we change it into probably red? Okay, whatever, blue. And you also can change the shape, shadow, and everything. It's on the right side. Okay. Basically, the setting is on the right side. You can also resize this and everything as you like. Okay. Now let's say I'm going to make an application that when I click the button, it will show the image. So we have to choose the picture. Probably you have any picture here, Gaby? Please pick one picture on the file to be displayed, or you want to download, it's okay.
Hold on, my cursor is loading.
All right. Okay, your cursor is loading. Should I let the control go? Okay.
Any picture? Should I just search for one?
Yes, one picture, just any picture.
What should I search for?
I don't know. What is your favorite thing? Probably Pikachu, probably dog, probably, or cats, animals, cartoon, some characters from the movie. Simpson, you like Simpson with? Okay, but Simpson probably. Okay, yeah, that's a good choice. Good.
Hold on.
Okay, save it and then load it to the app.
Wait, how do I save this?
Can you save it? Open picture on the on a new tab. Oh, there, yeah. Click. Yeah, here. You cannot. Can you?
I tried dragging it out.
Can you? Oh, okay. Huh?
Hold on.
No. Probably. Let me help. Can we just open it and then save it? Wait. Okay. Simpson. Art. Wait. Can you right click, Gaby? Right click and then open.
I don't have a mouse.
Yes, me too.
Wait, hold on.
Double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap. Not double tap. Two fingers tap. Two fingers tap. Yeah, me too. Huh? Yeah, me too. I cannot. Or probably I sent you a picture from here.
Yeah.
Simpson image. And then you can download it from, okay, there. It is working here. I'm going to download it. I'm going to send it through Zoom. And then you can download it. Wait, where is download? There you go. Have you got it on the Zoom?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, now you can add, yes. Add it to the picture, upload.
Do I just download the picture you sent me? But I can't download it though.
You cannot download it from Zoom?
No, it's lagging, like the chat thing.
Oh, okay. How about from WhatsApp? Is it going to be easier?
Hold on.
Okay, let me try. Let me try. Probably. Okay. Let's see if it can be downloaded. Okay, have you got it?
Oh, can I just upload any picture? Because I think I have one here.
Okay, good. Anything would work.
Okay, hold on.
Anything will do. Okay, any picture.
Um, okay.
Okay, done. Now we are going to do the blocks. This is actually a good picture. Nice. We go to the blocks there. Oh, we have to set here in the design, we have to set the image to be not visible. there. So we don't want it to be visible until we click the button, okay? Now we have screen here, we have button here, and we have image, right? So for
Yeah.
each component, we will be given different sets of uh, code blocks, right? And now we are going to use the code for the button. So we will choose button, click. When the button is clicked, now we want to access the image, and then we just choose set the image. Wait, set the which one? Yeah, okay, I think this one. Set image visible to true. I think it's like that, as simple as that.
Mhm.
Okay, shall we try? Okay, let us try. So now we have the code, now we have the design. Let's test, let's test it out. Okay, we
Mhm.
can use the web preview, but if you later you want to to use it to test it on your uh mobile, it's also can be done using this one.
Mhm.
Gaby, do you okay, here, see, this is the, sorry, this is the preview. So when
Mhm.
we click it, we can test it. When we click, it's supposed to, huh? Why it doesn't work? Wait. Did I use the, wait, how, back to editing. Why is it, wait, image, visibility, oh, probably. Huh? Wait, probably, what's wrong? I think it's correct here. Here, visible, style, picture, style is not visible, right? And then we go to the blocks and then set image visible to one button click to true. I think it's correct. What's wrong? Try again. Let us check. Oh, there. It works, Gaby.
Mhm.
So now I want you to add another button to make the picture invisible. So we just go back to editing, and then you have to add another button to the screen, and then code the button to make the invisible false. So one button to display, one button to hide. Okay. Nice. There you go. Well done. Button 2. I think, yeah, image. Set image picture. No, scroll down. I think it visible. Yes. Yes. To false. There you go. Design. Button. Do you want to change? Okay, just try. Okay. Display. Okay, good. Nice. Well done. So it's easy, right?
Mhm.
Okay. This is your first project. If you want to try it on your mobile, you just install Thunkable and then
Mhm.
log to Thunkable using the same login as you did with this account.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you choose this, it will automatically be loaded on your device, and then you can try it from your mobile phone. So this is really very quick and easy way to create an app. Okay, now we are going to make another app. It is going to be a login app, like we have tried last week. We are going to make a login application where it can only allows you to enter the app with the correct username and your correct password. Okay. So now we need different things. We need here text input, and then oh no, not text input. I don't know. About layout, I'm not very good. I'm not very good about layouting, Gabby. So
Mm-hmm.
you can always modify it as you like, but I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to add label for the username and another here for the password. This is the level, and then this is the text input. Feel free to add modification, Gabby. You later can add some backgrounds or you know, border and things. Okay, and then button. One button, okay. Here. This is the button. There you go. Let me change the button. I don't like it to be too round. Can we make it a little bit boxy? How to make it a little bit boxy? It used to be here. Okay, border. Border with radius, shadow. Okay, roundness. How to set the roundness? Okay. Okay, I will rename it into the login. Okay. One is okay. Okay, there. So we're going to change the label into username and then password. Okay, here. So basically we have two labels and two text input, right?
Mm-hmm.
Password. Okay, password there, here. And then we can also set up this, yeah, on the text input. You can also give hints, or you want it to be some just empty is okay. And for the password, you can choose this one, secure text entry, so people won't see when you type in the password, right? So
Mm-hmm.
so the setting is here, it's all here on the right side. So now we're going to code, okay? The code, we have blocks. What we're going to code is the button, right? So when we click the button, we're going to check if the text input 1 and the text input 1 and 2 is contains the correct username and password. Which one is 1? Oh, that one is 1. Okay. So we have this, Gaby. We will use the logic. No, we will use the control if. Look, if where's the logic? And we need and, right? Because the password and the username should be the same, right?
Yeah.
There. So what to do? If text input, text input, wait, text input text, okay, text input text equals, we need math, equals, where's the equals? We don't have it. Logic, oh, there, here. If the text input text equals to, let's say, text, the text is, let's say, Gaby, And then we need another logic when it equals when the text input to, right? Text input to text. Okay. Text input to text equals to another string, which is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Another string is really convenient. 1, 2, 3. Do what? What to do, Gaby? We can head to another screen. Basically, you can also add another screen here, there, really easy. And you can add something like this, Gaby. You can add a label here, and then you can say that, okay, wait. You can always change it, but let me say that you are all right. Link and password. You can add like this. Okay, you can make it better because I'm only giving examples, so you
Mhm.
can rearrange everything. Okay, let's say like that, and then we have screen one. Sorry, screen one, and then we have the blocks. Wait, I think we have covered all we need here. Oh, not yet. Huh? How can how I can okay here. So what happened when we got the password right? So we can say that now we have screen two, right? We can say that we can navigate to the other screen. How to navigate here? Where is it? Is it in control? Oh, there. There. Navigate to screen two. Want to navigate. I cannot click it. Why? To navigate. Yes, well done. One. Ah, good. Maybe let's try. Good. It's okay. Good work. Yeah, let's try. Sorry, Gaby, I was disconnected.
It's okay.
Oh my God.
Mhm.
Okay, let's try. All right. So we try this. Okay, there. Okay, type here. Oh, type here. Gaby. Is it working? 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Login. Correct. What if, back to editing, try. Not now. Try again. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, nothing happens, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, Gabby, I would like you to add some code. So when we're not entering the correct username and password, it will give us some notification. So you probably can add some label in here saying that when they are not entering the correct username or password, you have to change the label. So you can also empty this, so it looks like it's not there. But what when here we can also check what component we have from this side of the screen, from the left side. So you can always check, okay, I have these labels and buttons, everything. I would like to add a block here. So if the text input is correct, we navigate to screen to right. But if not, you have to else you have to set the label 4. You have to change the label 4. So here, the label 4,
Mm-hmm.
you have this, right? So you can always like this, Gabby. You can always set label text to incorrect username or password. Like that, Gabby. Just like that, as easy as this. So when we try this, let's say that Lala 1, 2, 3 incorrect. So bad design. Okay, let me make it better. Incorrect name and password. How about we just go to the screen 1 or design. We go to design and then we make it a bit bigger. So okay. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again here. Okay, let's say Lala Bob login. There, incorrect username of password. Okay, so far, is there any idea you want to do with this application, or do you have any ID in mind that you want to do, you want to create? Because if not, I'm going to uh show you how to create another application.
Okay, the other application.
Okay, other application. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Design. No, not now. Let's go back. I don't remember, Gaby, but I think back then when I first made this Tankable account, they just let me create as many apps as I want. But I think for today,
Mm-hmm.
we can only make 10 apps. So after that, we have to delete the one that we don't need, I think, but just let's see, we'll see. Okay, now we are going to odd even app. How about this? We will make an app that will tell you if a number is odd or even. Okay, so okay, do you have any idea about what is the layout would look like? I think I'm going to let you lay out the screen, but I will give you a hint that probably we need this text input, right? And then we need this button to calculate, and then we need this label to tell the user whether a number is odd or even. Can you do it, Gaby? Like when I entered something like this, 1, 2, 3, and then I click on the check button, and then it will say, okay, this is odd number. Okay, like that. So next time when I input 348.22 probably, and then check, and then it will say that this is even number. Okay, can you do that, Gaby? Can you create an app to check whether it is an odd or an even number? Okay. I will delete it. It is annoying. Okay. Okay, Gaby. Okay.
And then label.
Yes. And then label.
This
Yeah.
is to show the odd or even number, right?
Yes.
But what do I do to this label?
Just make it empty string. Just remove this, Gaby.
Okay.
We don't need it to be displayed on the app. All right. Okay, now do the blocks. Yes. What to do first? What to do first? Let's try the button. When the button is being clicked, and then we have to check whether probably we can use the logic, right? How do you know that? Oh, I should tell you this. So when we have a number, right, Gaby? Let's say number 12. There is two operation of dividing in programming that we okay, let's say not 12, 10. What is 10 divided by 3? 3.333, right? Right? But what is 10 mod 3? This is the result of the division. This is the remaining of the division. So you will get different result for different operator. So in programming, you have this division operator or mod division. We use division operator to get the result, and we use the mod operation to get the remaining. So we will use this to determine whether a number is even or odd. Okay, so let's say I have 7. Is it even or odd?
Odd.
Odd. How do we know? Because when we mod this by 2, the result is 1, right? So how about even numbers? Even numbers, let's say 16. When we mod it with 2, the remaining is 1. So this is the key. When the remainder is 1, then it is odd. But if the remainder is 0, it is even. Okay, shall we try now? Okay, now let's put it in the code. I'm going to show you. So we need all this, right? We need if, right? If the label, the text input, if the text input text,
Wait,
uh,
you know, for this part, shouldn't it be the text first, not the button?
oh, no, because we will do the action when once we click the button, right? So once
Mhm.
we click the button, then we process everything entered to the text input. So now we will check that if the text input, wait, reminder. Okay, the remainder of the text input. Okay, then we need equals, right? No, logic equals to okay. So if the remainder of the anything we get from text input divide by 2 is 0. How to add this? Okay, there's 0. Then what? Then we have to write to the text, the label, right? We have to set the label into
Even.
even, yeah. Okay, now please add the condition so that it can recognize the odd, maybe. Okay, good. Okay, or you can also add else if it's okay. It is shorter, I think. Yeah, just add from the using this gear. Yeah, yes, or else it's okay. Because if it's not even, it must be odd, right? Yeah, and then you can just copy the set label text to even into odd. Yes, you can tap with 2 fingers and then duplicate. Yes, and then change the even into odd. Yeah, well done, Gaby. Okay, test it. Give it a try. Okay, type here. Check. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, good. So it's working.
Mhm.
Okay, good. Well done. Okay, now let's do something else now. I'm going to make a game where the user have to guess what numbers it is, and then we will tell them. Wait, let let me say it. Okay, let's just go back here, and then we create. Okay, and then guess the number. I'm going to show you how to create a simple game using this. Okay, so you already know how to log in, how to, or even now we are going to add some random. So basically like this, Gaby, I'd like you to make a layout. So we are going to give the user this, this text input. They have to input a number, okay? And then we are in the code, we'll choose a random number between 100 and between 1 and 100. Let's say the number is like 37. The user cannot see this, but they have to guess the number. So when they enter, like for example, 5, and then the application will tell the user that too small. Okay, and then when we put something else like 40, and then we will say that it is too big. So the user has to keep guessing until they get the number right. And instead of that, no, not instead, and to be add to the application, we have to make a counter, Gaby. So we have to make like, okay, number of guessing, of guess. So then after the user got it correctly, he or she can check out how many times they have guessed, how many numbers they took to get the correct number. So this will be a button to check like this, Gaby. So we need one text input, one label, another label, and then button. Can you lay this out for me, Gaby? So, okay. Shall I delete or just let the
It's okay, just leave.
for guide? Okay. For a guidance.
What's this though?
This label and label. I think the label, yeah. One label is to say number of guests. The other label to display how many tries, how many attempts have been done.
Okay.
Okay. So we are going to have how many? One text input, 1, 2, 3 labels, and then one button. Okay, I think we got it, everything. Oh, this is two label, I think, Gaby. Two labels of this one. I think this one for the this is for the number of attempts, right? Here. Okay. Shall we give information? If you want to add some information, we can also add it here, and then tell them that and guess a number from 1 to, okay. So how to make it look better? Okay, like this. Okay, and then this one, we can say that number of guests. Oh, okay, we can make it a bit bigger, right? Okay, number of guests, like this. What's wrong? Oh, here. There, and then here, we just leave it empty. Okay, good. What's in the bottom? What do you say? Guess. Like that. Okay. Oh, or we can say here, type a number between like this, Gaby. This is easier. Type guess a number between 1 and 100. But we then have to make it a bit wider so they can read the text. Okay, so we can remove this. And we just remove level 4. Delete. Yes. So we won't have too much. Okay, number of guest level, and then this is the, okay, let's do the code now. Block. Now, like before, Gaby, can you make the basic logic for the coding? So what we have to do is to check whether the number. Oh, okay, Gaby, let me make you the random first. I'm going to give a variable. Okay, I'm going to make a variable. Okay, variable. We can create a variable. Wait, where is it? Huh? Variables. Okay. Okay. Initialize a variable. Let's say number. To, let's say the number. Okay. Okay. Random di mana ya random? Okay. Where to random create? Oh, okay. Like this, Gaby. We just set this. Initialize a variable number to random integer from 1 to 100. All right. And then what? And then when we click the button, when we click the button, okay. Then what, Gaby? We have to check if the label 1, if the content of label 1 is bigger than the number, then we should say, we should set the level. We will do the count later. We just display it first. Okay, try to do the basic coding. I will fix it. I will let you try first.
Is it this one?
Yes. Oh, you need and or. Oh no, I think wait. I think we use equals, Gaby.
Equals, why equals?
Because we want. Oh no, not equals, bigger than, right? So we have to use if first. Condition, logic, I think. Logic. If, yes, no. Control, yeah. If the label 1 but text, yeah, equals, right. Oh, bigger. Sorry. Oh, yeah, bigger, Gaby, or lower is okay. And then get the text input. The text input 1. Text, I think. Text. There, the lower part, the lowest part, this one.
This one?
Yes. That one, yes. Bigger than number. Bigger than this. Oh, yeah, variable. Yeah. Smart, Gaby. Right. There you go. And then do, so which one is it? The label, check on the design. This one? What is this? Yeah. What is label? This is label 1. Oh, so this one text input. Oh yeah, label 1. Yeah. So click label 1, set label text to, yeah, the number is too big. Yeah, smart Gaby. Now add more else. Else or else if. Else, okay. So one, yeah, just tap with two fingers. Yep, yep. Small, small. But what to do, Gaby, when it's equal?
Mm,
What to do when it's equal? I think we can do it like this. Oh, okay. Like this, Gaby, probably. We just add some else if. So if like this, if it is smaller, this is too small. And then else, add something more, Gaby. Add, you got it right. We don't need it, Gaby. Just set the label.
Hmm?
Just set the label.
oh, this one.
Yeah, that one. Yep. Yeah. Yes. Okay, let's try. Let's run this. Review. Okay, guess a number between. Okay.
Oh, what about the
Oh,
number
we
of
haven't.
guests?
Yeah. It's okay. We'll add. Yes. Too big. Okay, try again. Until you get this. Too small. Okay. Too small. Too big. Huh? Okay, 38. Huh? 39. Okay, correct. Okay, well done, Gaby. Okay, so now we will fix the code to be able to how to get back here. Block. Oh, back to editing. Okay. Now we're going to set up this, right? This label, we need to, now we have to add counter, Gaby, here. We have to add another variable. We will give it a name. Name is counter. We will set it as 0. Because the first time we don't have a counter already, right? Okay. So now each time the user do the guess, we have to change change the up not this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this one is going change here. Change the up variable counter by 1, and also on this where is the duplicate? Wait, where is the duplicate? Okay. Is this look correct, Gaby? Okay, let's try. Okay, give it a try, Gaby.
Mm,
Huh? Oh, I forgot number of guests. We haven't, wait, Gaby, wait, we haven't. Okay, where do we, oh, we have, too small, too big. Oh, we have to do this, Gaby. duplicate. Level, level, level 3, level 2. I think it's level 3, right? Let's check. This one, level 3, okay. Set the label free text to variables. App variable counter. Okay. And also this one. So I will copy this, duplicate, and then put it in here. Like that. That's right. Eh? Okay. Try it, Gaby. Okay. Huh? 99. Okay, well done. Okay, it is working now. Good.
Wait, how did you do the number of guests thing?
Oh, okay. Let me show you here. Here. First, we need two variable, right? The one variable is to hold a number we choose randomly for to be guessed, right? And then the other one is to keep the counting. So at the first, when we first initialize the app, we have to set it as 0, right? Because there's no attempts being, yeah, no attempts so far. So each time we check whether if it is too big, we have to add the counter and then display it. So each time it is checking whether it is bigger or it is lower, we will always add the counter by 1 and then set the label to display the counter, just like that, Gaby. So it's like keep counting. Each time you do the attempt, the counter has to be added by 1. So we don't do the set label free in here because when it is correct, we don't need to increase the counter furthermore, right? Because we already get it right, like that, Gaby. So what do you think? Do you think this app is interesting? Because
Yeah.
I also wait. There are so many things to do to create with this with this. I want to show you something, Gaby. Let me share my screen, okay? I'm going to show you something. Here. We have I've been using this for a while now. So let me, if you had some idea, because learning is going to be more fun when we have a target or project to do, Gaby. So here, this is I'm going to show you about machine learning. Okay, here we have a platform of machine learning where you can do lots of projects and make it application, Gaby. So it's like this. There are numerous of projects that we can try, or even our own project. Like probably you have in mind that I'd like to make an app that can predict a recipe by only being given the ingredients. Like probably you want to open the fridge and then you only have eggs, and then carrot, and then chicken probably. What recipe that can I make? You can also make the application like that. So this is, I'm going to give you some examples. Okay, in machine learning, we can create application that is smart Gaby, so it can learn. So for example, like this, yeah. Okay, I'm going to show you this. Make me happy. With make me happy, I'm going to give you. This is an intro, so probably for the next lesson you want to try. So make me happy. So this is how it
Wait,
works.
can you share screen?
Ah, I already shared screen.
Oh, really?
Yeah, haven't you
Wait.
seen it?
Oh, okay. I had to like stop sharing.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, this is Gaby. This is but the machine learning I told you that we have these projects. We can see the difficulties from beginner to advanced, and then we can do the project for the Scratch or Python or the Thunkable that we just created before. So let's say here we can make the machine learns by looking at image or by looking at text or by looking at numbers. So when we have enough data with a pattern, we can make this application learn and then tell us about something they have learned. Like suppose you want to know the weather by entering the temperature and humidity and then the cloud in the sky, and then you can make an app that can suggest you, should I bring a raincoat or umbrella, or is it going to hot, you don't have to wear something warm, like that. I'm going to show you this one. This project, this make me happy project, is the code or the app that can learn about bad and good words, Gaby. So it's cool. Like we will create the project
Mm-hmm.
by making this, yeah, making this expression, like when we are not sure, when we're happy, when we're sad, like that. So this is to express how the machine feel when we say something bad or something good. We can teach the machine to learn about the words. So how to make it learn? We have to put this set of words, the kind things and the mean things, like this. Kind things, you are a lovely person. I appreciate all the things you do. Mean things, you smell. I don't like you. You're an idiot. You're not my friend. You anything. You just put bad and good words, and then
Mm-hmm.
make them learn, and then we create the application. The way we create the application, we can use Scratch, we can use Python, or we can use Thunkable. We can. So this is really interesting because it's like they are already this. I believe this is using IBM machine, so they already have a, like smart machine at the back end, and then we just log into their machine, and then we can train using their resource, and then using their machine learning with our data. So when you put something, when you test, and then you say something bad, then
Mm-hmm.
machine will show the sad face. And when you say something good, it will smile. Something like that, Gabby. So there's a lot of possibility of apps you would want to try or make. But this one is, I think this is a way for us to really extend the use of an application. We can add machine learning, or probably, okay, I don't want something with machine learning. It's okay. Probably you want to make just a database like probably an application for like storing your notes or schedules or just make like alarm or something. So it's lots of things to do. I'm just showing you how many projects that we can explore. So you can also teach the machine to recognize the words, like when you say, "Oh my God, it is so hot today," then the machine
Mm-hmm.
will turn on the fan and then turn off the light like this one. Oh, sorry. Like this one, Gabby. Okay, for this one, the machine will turn on or turn off the light based on what is the word. So when you say, "Oh, it is hot," it will turn on the fan, will turn off the light. If you say, "Oh my God, it is dark in here," then it will turn on the lights, something like that. It is really interesting. It also can be, recognize image, like it can choose when we put a picture, it can choose which kind of Pikachu or Pokemon is it.
Mm-hmm.
Can learn it can also learn is the glass is empty or half empty and everything. It is really interesting. So if the next time you want to try to do this is really interesting. I'm going to show you something like what I have done with this. Here I have a project. So this is one one project that my students made for a competition. So he has an idea. He said that I want to make an application to detect burglars.
Mm-hmm.
How to do it? I told him, okay, how about we add some picture of closed window for not burglars, and then pictures of burglars uh, standing on the window or window an open window or a broken window or everything. So the app supposed to always watching the window. So when the windows is open or there's someone trying to get in, it will notify it, or it will call policy or 911. As simple as that, Gaby. So the data set can be pictures, can be sounds. So you can make an application to probably, okay, I want to make an application to detect the voice of my friends. You can also enter voice, so you can train. Okay, my friends, my first friend, my second, third, my voice, and then you can make an app that to guess. Okay, whose voice is this? It can be done. Okay, so pictures, sounds, text, and numbers. You can make machine learn from this kind of data. You can get the picture from the internet, or you take it yourself using your own camera. You can draw it. You can drag from Google. So it's easy, and then
Mm-hmm.
it's probably useful, I think. Okay, this is the project, the first project, and then we will just learn and test the machine learning. We usually will need, like 20 or 30 data to make the machine learning, and then we will train them. We don't know what happened when they're training the machine. Let us uh let's just make them work, do them they work, because we just want to, okay, we're giving our data, you learn, and then we're going to make the application. So when we are creating the application, this platform allow us to do it with Scratch, which is the easiest one, with Python, which is flexible, and then you can also uh, combine it with other platform and everything. or use app inventory. App inventory is the older version of Thunkable. So it is similar like what we have learned today, Gaby. So
Mm-hmm.
once we have chosen one of this, we can just develop it and then make it work. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to show you another project. Okay, this is just for so you can imagine what can be done. Okay, okay. My other students, see, this is only 5 data sets given, but so far I was doing a quick test, but it worked, Gabby. So here the problem. Have you ever heard of Alzheimer disease,
Yeah.
where people losing their memories and yeah, degrading memories and everything? So
Mm-hmm.
one way to check that if you are going to have, if you have Alzheimer or not, is by drawing a clock like this, Gabby. So when we meet someone, and then we want to check if he is or she is uh having Alzheimer or not, is by asking them to draw this clock. When the clock is complete enough with the face and the numbers and the uh the arrows of the clock like this pointing on the certain numbers, then it will pass. That means that okay, you are not having an Alzheimer. So, but if someone draw the clock like this, only the arm of the clock without the numbers, or they put the numbers incorrectly without the arm of the clock, or like this incomplete things, so okay, you will fail the test. So this machine learning can take this kind of data. So we can make an application, say you can make an application, and then you can, probably you have a grandpa or a grandma or someone, an elderly probably, and then you can ask him or her to draw on your smartphone, draw a face of a clock, and then they will draw it, and then the application will tell, okay, you pass, you're good, you're not having any symptoms of memory degradation or anything, you are okay, something like that, Gaby. So this is useful, and
Mm-hmm.
I have tried it. It works, it works. Let's try. Yeah, let's say that I can test it with webcam, I can test it by drawing. Okay, I'm going, wait, have I, okay, I already trained it, so let's try it. But what if I only draw like this and then test? Wait, it will say that recognize as fail with 100% confidence, right? It knows, Gaby. It learns. So we can also get picture from the internet, or we can also draw. Okay, something like this. Okay, now I'm going to give it numbers, and then like this, without the arm of the clock. Fail with 83 confidence. All right. How about, I'm going to put it more details with, okay, like this, test. Okay, pass as 56 confidence. Okay. So what do you think, Gabby? This is promising, right? I mean, we can do lots of things. We can explore things. We can experiments on things. We can prove things by making this code, by making
Mm-hmm.
this, we can help people. We can make things easier. I'm going to try once again. How about I put it even better with all the numbers? What would be the result? Will it give us better results? Oh, no, this is fail, Gaby. This is fail. I don't know why, but the previous one is great. Okay, how about just this, but with this test? Fail. Okay, how do I pass? Well, sometimes we can improve the performance of the system by adding more data gitu. So when we just put 5 examples of pass and 5 example of fail, and there's a lot of errors, we can add more to make it give better results. Okay, then but we cannot we can we cannot leave the project just like that, Gaby, right? We cannot test the app just like this, right? We have to develop the app, right? So when we develop the app, we can open the app inventor, and then we can code the application from there. So from like what we did with the Tankable. So we will create like this code, and then we will connect it to the machine learning. Like when the text detected is bad text, then we will load a happy face. But if not, we will load an unhappy face like that, Gaby. So lots of things can be done with this app. Okay. Now I'm going to show again. Wait. What another application that we can do? We can make calculator or something. Oh, and you can also wait. I did make this, Gaby. Wait. I made it with Thunkable, Gaby. Wait. I'm going to show you here. Probably it is easier to see. Wait. I need to show you this. YouTube. I need to show you this, Gaby. Here. Wait. Playlist. Where is Thunkable? Okay, you can here, Gaby. You can you can see. I already have several code. We have done this one, Gaby. Login, odd event, and guest number, right? Can also do this encryption and this, but it is long code, so not probably later. This is also a long code, but we can do this with Thunkable. So the good thing, another good thing that we can create image recognition.
Great content needs a great audience, like your boss needs validation.
Okay. We can make like this, Gaby, an app to recognize an image. How to do it? We just use Google's database. So Google already have a pre-trained machine, so it can predict what kind of image being shown with a camera. Use the machine, the Google. Let me show you. Like this, Gaby. It is the same thing like we do, but when we take a picture, we will set it to Google, and then Google will make a guess about this picture and give us the result. So we use this image recognizer. So this is simply only this component, Gaby. Just take a picture. We put a camera and then an image recognizer, and then we do this block. Okay, I don't know. This block is probably will be different with what we are using today, because they keep upgrading it. So the code is more or less like this, Gaby. So when we take picture with this button, when the button take picture being clicked, the camera will take a photo, and then it will recognize the image with image recognizer, and then it will it will give us the description of the picture along with confidence level. So it is this easy, Gabby.
Mm-hmm.
Like this. Let's say this is how the application work. See, when I take a picture of a pen, it say that a hand holding a cell phone with their confidence 94%. Okay, let's try something else. Take a picture. Okay, this one. This is going to be more precise, I think. Okay, use photo, and then it will give us the result. A cup of coffee, Gaby. See,
Mm.
with 89 confidence level. So how about the book? So the database is already there in I think this is Google photo something. A pizza sitting on top of cutting board with a cake. Okay, whatever. Yeah, not that precise, but it can be done for certain things. We can develop our own to make it more precise. Okay, and then let's try this. What is the result? A hand holding a cell phone, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is quite, quite precise. Okay, this one, try again. A remote control. Probably they don't learn enough about it. Okay, now book. A stack of flyers on a table. Okay, not that bad. Like that, Gabby. So this all can be done by coding with Thunkable.
Yeah.
Some some API or library from Google. So it is good. And one thing, we can also add some text to speech, Gabby. So this one,
Monday.com makes scans right again. Yeah, I know it. I'm not going to say again because I never were.
Gabby, this one, I modify the code so it can say the result. So we can add speech, text to speech. We can add the text to speech like this. So here, I add this one, Gabby. Text to speech, call speak, text description. So the description will be said out loud. So it will say something, and it can be a useful app probably for blind people. So you can just
Mm-hmm.
like take a pictures of whatever in the table. Like probably he wants to find a key or a spoon or a phone, probably, or a glass. Then we can just take a picture of the table, and the application will notify you what's on the table. So if he's blind, cannot see, he can take a picture, so can see, okay, this way there will be a door, or there will be a hallway, or there will be a car or anything. It will say it out loud. So it's you know unlimited possibility to create things like that, Gabby. So this one, I still use the same code, but this time when it is displaying the text or the description,
A close-up of a coffee cup.
it will say something like that, Gabby.
Mm.
So this is useful, right? So
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, let's try another thing.
A glass bottle sitting on top of a wooden table.
Not bad, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We can also make an application. Okay, I want to see how good is this. Okay, no, not in the video. So I also developed this application, Gaby, to recognize color. So let's say you are a half a partly blind color, so you cannot see certain colors. You can make an app to tell you what color is this, right? So when you are not sure, okay, what is the color of this? You just take a picture and then the application will tell you that, okay, this is green, this is red, this is yellow, orange, this is green, blue, something like that.
So you
That-
take a picture of the item.
Sorry, Gaby?
So like you take a picture of the item and then the app
Yes.
can tell you what
Yeah.
color.
Yes. Basically, if you want to, like this one, the chameleon part, the chameleon project, it will recognize color and then it will change the chameleon color according to the color of the object you are taking picture of.
Mm-hmm.
So it's you can do anything basically. It's
Yeah.
like, yeah, you can make an application to to check if it's a traffic light is green or red or like anything. So the data set would be colors, Gabby. So we will we will give the machine learning picture of several kinds of red, like probably red cars, red apples, red casing, red dress, red anything. So it will run, okay, this is red, this is green and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's what we learned today, Gabby, about the creating apps. So you can always tell me what you want to learn for the
Mm-hmm.
next class or for any. You can always ask me what do you want to learn. If you don't give me anything, I will keep giving you interesting materials. For the
Yeah.
next class, I probably will tell you how to do web programming.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so as you can see, the basic of programming is just like that, right?
Yeah.
Problem is what to do with it, in what language, and and on what platform, right? So probably the hardest part is not the coding, but how to make that work with the tools we have in hands, like that, Gabby.
If you use Thunkable, are you able to like put your app in the app store?
Yes, of course, Gabby. Yes.
Oh, okay.
But before, yeah, I think some platform want us to pay for them to be able to produce the format that can be uploaded to Apple Store or Google Play. Like Game Maker, you can create game,
Mm-hmm.
but you cannot make the APK format before you pay the price for you get the premium software to
Mm-hmm.
generate that. So yeah, Thunkable, I think we can upload it to App Store, but there's one barrier that we have to know when we are going to upload application to the store. First we have to do the registration. It is quite long, and then we have to pay, and then we have to test, and then they will review for like weeks before they approve our application and release it to the market, Gabby. So
Oh.
between creating an application, making it work, testing it, and uploading it to a store, it's a
Mm-hmm.
long story, a long journey.
Mm.
It's not like just not like in Roblox, you just okay, I publish, and then everybody can use and see it now. But in Google Play and Apple stores, a long process.
Different.
But I've done it before.
Mm-hmm.
All my students have created their own apps, but I always warn them, are you patient enough to do this? Are you determined enough to do this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll do it, because one of them has to test the application and send it out to like 100 people before before Google or Apple decide whether the application is allowed or not to be sold, Gaby.
Oh.
Have to like find 100 people to test your application and
Mhm.
their feedback before they will let us to publish it to the whole world. Something like that
Mhm.
for you to know. Okay, any question, Gabby?
No.
Okay, enough for today?
Yeah.
Okay, just let me know about the next class. Take a
Yeah.
rest. As well.
Maybe Thursday. But
Thursday?
I'll text you again
Oh,
Thursday.
okay. Thursday
Yeah.
is okay. I
Okay.
have Thursday. Let
Okay.
me know, Gabby.
Thank you.
Keep healthy.
Thank
Eat a
you.
lot. Eat a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Take care.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.